Tomorrow afternoon I'll check my tire pressure, my fluids and all that. I carry all that stuff with me. That way if I need it, it's there. Don't have to rely on somebody else. I try to be as self-sufficient as I possibly can be. I even brought my dog bone. My 50 to 30 to 110. They do have 110 here, but I did this for a little bit of extra extension on my cord since I've opted to park it this direction instead of the direction that you're really supposed to. So I wanted to be able to look out these windows and see the lake and have a little more privacy from neighbors. Well, that worked out really well. Really good. Doesn't look as good as it does when it comes out of the oven or being heated up in the microwave, but it tastes the same. It's really good. Yum yum. Boiled water here, boiling water there, just to break up the black stuff. That worked out well. I got my pan nice and clean. I boiled some water in the pan on the stove. I also boiled water in case I needed it for further cleaning, but I don't. And it is now sterilized, so I could just pour it back in the drinking water container. And definitely we'll have to get some cooking spray. These are supposed to be non-stick pans, but they really aren't. The copper pan people lie. I have vinegar water right there for disinfecting. So that worked out really well. Let this cool down so I can put it away. That cool down a little bit more so I can pour it back in the water and throw that away. Oh, I gotta clean that too. The spatula. But I'm happy with this. This is an awesome little piece. It's a gas one grill, and you can use butane or propane. Pretty cool. When I ordered this, I also ordered bottles. It was a package deal, so I think I got 4 bottles, 4 or 5 bottles. I think it was 4. Yeah, I think it was 4. So pretty cool. I'll let that cool down, then I'll pop out the propane tank or the butane tank and pack it back up in the container. And the lasagna turned out really, really good. Cooking it this way, just heating it up that way. I just had to keep adding some water so it wouldn't dry out and burn. But, you know, there was a day when microwaves weren't out yet. This is how people heated up their food. So, still works for me. Works for me while I'm van camping. I just did it. That's just the way it is. That's how you do it. That's how you do things, you know? That's just how it is, man. That's just how it is, man. Yeah, you do it like that, and that's it. Yeah. Daylight's approaching. I'm thawing out some chicken chili for dinner, and I'm also hard boiling some eggs. Picked up this little egg cooker at Walmart for 10 bucks. Used it once, it works well. And the eggs are easy to peel. They're hard boiled eggs. Hashtag van life. Hashtag van travel. I have a heater running because I'm chilly. It's nice, I have power. That's out my window here. I also have these cute little lights that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Little battery operated lights. They give a lot of nice light in the evenings. And this is my view out my window. I have my curtains pulled aside. There we go. I got a view of the lake. I could have paid extra, which would have been a double cost, to park over there across the road, but I angled the van where I could just sit here and look out at it, so that works for me. Love my shears. They give me such good privacy during the day. And at night, when my lights are off, nobody can see inside anyhow because of the shears. And I can see outside in case I have to look out for any kind of trouble. And I have a safe place to hang my keys when I remember to do so. Check out what pulled in over here. Yeah, what a cute little setup. Chicken chili, yum yum. I am totally impressed with this Gas One grill. Of course, what I brought was frozen food that I thawed out to cook, but still pretty cool. So we have some chips with chicken chili and nice refreshing Ultra, Michelob Ultra. Prickly pear and cactus, yum. It's my dinner tonight. Lots of folks are out cooking their dinners. So they got people over here too. They got a barbecue pit running over there. Yeah. Kids are out playing. It's a nice evening. These kids have been screaming and screaming and screaming for quite a while now. And the parents are just outside with them, ignoring it all. And I remember, I grew up in the day of children should be seen but not heard. I also grew up in the day of spare the rod, spoil the child. Nobody spared the rod back in my day, and we didn't get spoiled. Man, these kids have been at it for hours. A, B, C, D, A, A. Try again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, I did it. A, D, A, B, the B. I gotta do the B. A, B, A, E, C, D, A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Got it.